Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Bitcoin on Crypto.com. First, you'll need to download the Crypto.com app from your app store and create an account. This process typically takes just a few minutes. Next, complete the identity verification, also known as KYC, by providing necessary documents. This is a crucial step for security and compliance. Finally, link your preferred payment method, such as a bank account or a debit card, to your new account. Now that your account is set up, it's time to fund it. Head over to the Fiat Wallet section in the app. Here, you can select your local currency and choose a deposit method, such as a bank transfer or debit card deposit. For bank transfers, you'll typically receive account details to send funds to. Debit card deposits are usually instant, allowing you to quickly add money to your balance. With funds in your account, buying Bitcoin is straightforward. Tap the Buy button on the app's home screen and search for Bitcoin or BTC. You can then enter the specific amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, either in fiat currency or in BTC units. The app will show you the current exchange rate and any associated fees. Carefully review all the order details before confirming your purchase. Congratulations! Once confirmed, your Bitcoin will be instantly visible in your crypto wallet within the app. You can always check your transaction history for a detailed record of your purchase, including the exact price and time. For added peace of mind, I highly recommend enabling two-factor authentication on your account. This extra layer of security helps protect your digital assets from unauthorized access, keeping your investment safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.